Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching the soprano part for the piece Ndifuna Wena by DJ TK. The rhythm to the piece goes like this. The soprano notes start from C and E. That's the rhythm. And then that next beat are the next notes, which are D and F. So C and E, and then D and F. Now you repeat that rhythm, but with different notes as you move on. So next is E and G going to F and A. So you go, same rhythm. From the beginning again, from C and E to D and F, and then you move on, E and G to F and A. And then you move on again, G and C to A, C. All right, same rhythm. So one more time. And then the rhythm changes going forward. You go back to G and C, and then A, C. So you play G and C once, and then G and C twice, and then A, C twice. So that's the last part. So from the beginning, C and E. Let's go through the notes one last time. C and E to D and F once, and then you move on. This time it's E and G going to F and A. And then G and C going to A, C. And then back to G and C and A, C. Right. Right, that is the soprano part. Next is the ending. Now the ending is the same as the piccolo part. So you're going to go to E and G and play the melody from the piccolo. You go E, G, 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 A. E, G, 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 A. E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. And you also roll on C. E, G, 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 A. E, G, 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 A. E, G, 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 A, E, A, C, and then you stay on the C rolling until you fade. So you play that part twice. One more time. E, G, 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 A, E, G, 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 A, E, G, 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 A, E, A, C. Second time. Right. Now I'm going to play through a couple of times and then go straight to the ending from the beginning. Right, that is the soprano part for Ndifuna Wena. I hope you're going to enjoy putting the song together. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website. or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.